Hello viewers, hope you are doing well. Today I am going to explain adverbs of degree, a part of a speech. Already I have posted a video on adverb of manner, adverb of place, adverb of time. Today's concept is adverbs of degree. Watch till the end of the video. So this is Umarana Mahapatra. Welcome back to my channel to get the concept better. If you find my videos informative and helpful and want to see more videos like this one, don't forget to put a comment so that it will boost a teacher to make more videos for you. Adverbs of degree. Adverbs of degree tell us about the intensity or degree of an action, an adjective or another adverb. That means when an adverb tells us about a verb, an adjective or another adverb, that is one adverb of a degree. Okay, here action means verb. Here is the list of some adverbs of degree. Almost, most, much, more, badly, as, far, barely, nearly, quite, just, to, so, enough, hardly, scarcely, completely, very, extremely, terribly, wonderfully, especially, particularly, uncommonly, unusually, pretty, rather, fairly, more, absolutely, terribly, awfully, partly, perfectly, altogether, really, really, slightly, deeply, greatly, etc. are adverbs of degree. Another more adverbs are used as adverbs of degree. Where you use, that means what is the position of adverbs of degree in sentences. How we can identify one word that is one adverb of degree. Okay, adverbs of degree are used just before adjectives, just before adverbs and just before main verbs. Okay, and they intensify adjectives, adverbs and main verbs. Adverbs of degree intensify verbs. Main verbs, what I told, adverbs of degree are used just before verb, that is one adverb of degree. He just left for Mumbai. Here left is the verb, okay, and just is adverb is used just before one verb, that is adverb of degree and intensify the verb. The mango is almost rotten. Almost rotten. Rotten is the verb and almost is used to intensify the verb. Okay, so that adverb is called adverb of a degree, and adverb of a degree answers the question how much. The curry is fully burnt. How much burnt? Fully burnt. So fully is used to intensify what the verb burnt. Fully is adverb of a degree. We were warmly received. Warmly is used to intensify the verb received. So it is adverb of degree. She can only speak. She can only speak. Only is used to intensify speak verb. So only is adverb of degree. I really enjoyed the book. Same thing, really is used to intensify the verb enjoyed. So really is adverb of degree. What is the position of adverb of degree? Just before verb. Then adverbs intensify adjectives. It is a really interesting story. Okay, interesting story. Interesting is adjective. Understand? And story is really is used to intensify adjective. So adverb of degree also are used to intensify adjective. She looked rather upset. Okay, rather upset. Upset is adjective, and rather is used just before adjective to intensify adjective. Upset. I am completely exhausted. I am completely exhausted. Exhausted is one adjective and complete is used to intensify the adjective. They are extremely tired. How much tired? Extremely tired. Tired is adjective. Extremely is used to intensify tired. Adjective. The water is very cold. How much cold? Very cold. Very is used to intensify the adjective cold. The box is big enough to lift. The box is big enough. Okay, here enough is adverb is used to intensify the adjective big, but it is the point to learn enough is one adverb that is used after adjective, not before adjective. Then adverbs intensify adverbs. Okay, please work very carefully. Here carefully, we know that carefully is one adverb and very is used to intensify adverb, and the word very is adverb of degree. He is speaking so rudely. So is used to intensify adverb rudely. So is one adverb of degree. She is singing so sweetly. Okay, she is singing so sweetly. So is used to intensify adverb sweetly. So is one adverb of degree. Jitan is running very fast. Very is used to intensify adverb fast. She is painting the wall very beautifully. Okay, beautifully is the adverb and very is used to intensify or to say about the degree of adverb. So, what is it? Very beautifully. Very is the adverb of degree. The child is behaving too smartly. Okay, smartly is the adverb and to is used to intensify adverb smartly. And adverb of degree answers the question how much, to what degree or in what extent. That's it for this one. If you like my videos, don't forget to leave a thumbs up. If you love my videos and want to see more videos like this one, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification icon so that you never miss an upload. Thank you. Stay safe. See you in the next one.